Good afternoon, Wildcats, and happy Monochromatic Monday. I hope you're showing your school spirit in your monochromatic outfit today and that you have posted a video to Flipgrid. The link to that I shared on Friday and should be in your Wildcat Hour classroom if you are interested in doing that. Please learn from my mistake. I took a photo instead of taking a video and then got busy and didn't have time to go back and do the video. So make sure you've got a video to share. I wanted to point out my workers again this week, and I'm pleased to show that we have 15 people that did at least something on Math 180 last week. It ranged anywhere from 78 minutes down to 2 minutes, but at least 15 of you did something. Hey, if you're running into trouble with that, just let me know. Either email me, sign up for my office hours, and I'll have you share your screen with me or take a screenshot of the problem you're having trouble with, and I can help you with that. I've helped a couple people who just weren't quite sure what to do with the question or how the program worked. And then last week we worked on comparing fractions, and then on Friday I had a Kahoot for students to do so I could see how you did, and I had 4 students who did well. Wanted to recognize my top 2 performers. Mario had the highest score, so congratulations to you, Mario. And then Iman and Jocelyn both tied with the second highest scored. So was really proud of the 4 of you. I'm going to be emailing you the four of you something a little bit different to do, but mostly for this week or for today, I want you to work on Math 180. If that's what most of you are willing to do, then let's do it, and let's do it well. So this week, let's focus on Math 180, see how many minutes you can get in, see how many lessons you can complete. All right, have a great week, and check back in on Wednesday.